What is your background? And you must have some background in writing, because your blog, I've enjoyed looking at it. We have Hershey 2021, No Country for Young Men, how I accidentally won best in class at a local car show. You got a letter, an email that I want to write to Penske. You got a thing about a belly tank, and it's racer, and it's good. You're good.
Oh, thanks.
You're readable, so I'd want to be on your email list. It's because you're not. Matter of fact, I'll put my email in because it's not spam. I mean, it can be enjoyable.
No. Hey, to me, it's probably the most fun part of the whole job is getting to share those thoughts and connect with people. I've gotten to so many comments and made so many connections through my writing that I don't know. I really value it, and I think it helps people get to know what we're about and what I'm about and who they're dealing with. And I think we've moved beyond the idea of using a blog to be like, go buy this or sell this or whatever. If you do that, people won't tune in. They just want to learn. They want to experience things or live vicariously through you. And that's what you're doing with your podcast too. You're talking to people that they want to talk to, and you become their vessel for having that conversation by proxy. And that's what I try to do in the blog is just, But I try not to hold back either. It's pretty authentic. I don't edit it down or anything. I just kind of write what I'm thinking, and here you go.
Any journalistic background or school?
No.
You're good, folks.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, no, thank you. That's very kind of you. I do enjoy it, and I do have a marketing background, so language isn't
okay. Then come on now, marketing background for God's sake. Okay, so Madison Avenue, basically liar.
This has been Jeff Stearns, Connected Through Cars.